What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chris, aka Casper Reacts, back at again with another video for y'all. XG, you're up. This is Rock the Boat Live, so let's get it. Okay, yeah, I could imagine the look and the choreography being like this. I can't wait to see the actual music video. Yeah, see, they all got that 2000s like wardrobe going on because this is like an early 2000s song.
Okay, we could take it two ways. Leo walked the meter, was singing on top of blue wave.
I wonder who was that screaming for coconut like that. I wonder, y'all heard that?
I had to look away, but it was too late. I drink the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci, maybe it was bootleg. No, my mama would never let me. Hypothetically, a man already. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came and rocked the ball, got me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the ball, knock me off that way. Boy, you came and rocked the ball, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came and
Okay. Honestly, I think Chisa is really rocking that short hair though. You know, I think there was a hypnotized short that I've seen that she had pink short hair. Like she's really killing the short hair.
Don't trip, boy, give me my space. Obsession was never my thing. Take your time, you should steady your pace. What am I saying? Boy, you came and rocked the ball, got me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat, knock me off the way. Boy, you came and rocked the ball, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off the way. Boy, you came and
Slated. Nice. Oh, hey, stop it. My bad. But hey, that was fun. That was a fun video right there. I did miss their performance videos, their dance videos and stuff, which I need to start getting back on. Also, comment down what you want me to watch next from these girls as well. And yeah, and also support your small creators by hitting that hype button down below, please. And yeah, with that, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.